Established in 1980, Denka Singapore, a subsidiary of Denka Company Limited, is one of the world's largest facilities for continuous polymerization. The Seraya plant produces polystyrene resins using steam as a key process heat source. The steam system stretches throughout the plant. Within the system are steam traps that remove condensate from the steam lines. The harsh operating environment results in the short lifespans of steam traps. Faulty steam traps cause steam loss or inefficient heating, thus increasing steam cost.
Steam supply is a significant portion of our operating costs. We wanted to reduce energy consumption to be more competitive and profitable.
Steam trap eventually fail. If they fail blowing steam, the steam is a loss. If they fail trapping condensate, the operator will open the bypass and we still lose the steam in this way too.
Conducting manual and annual steam trap surveys to identify failed steam traps and subsequently replacing them, Denka, like most companies, used to rely on this traditional strategy. As much as 20% of traps in a plant can be faulty at any one time. Coupled by the long inspections intervals, a large amount of steam is lost at significant cost. Denka has since adopted a new breakthrough solution, connected services provided by Emerson based on the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. As part of this connected service, Emerson has installed its PlantWeb digital ecosystem, including wireless acoustic transmitters on 148 of Denka's critical steam traps. These transmitters automatically monitor the steam traps. The steam trap data from around the plant is gathered using a local wireless HART network at the edge. The data is then transferred through an edge gateway across a 3G mobile network and a private connection to the cloud. A steam trap analytics app runs on a virtual machine in the cloud. The app's algorithm analyzes the data, detecting failures in minutes.
Data is constantly being exchanged between global clients and Emerson.
At the Emerson Global Pervasive Sensing Center of Excellence in Singapore, staff extracts the steam trap health reports, listing pertinent information that the maintenance team requires. After review, the report is emailed to Denka. Denka's maintenance team receives the steam trap health report and is able to replace the failed traps sooner than previously. Plant personnel can contact Emerson's domain experts in the area of steam traps and other equipment. As part of the service contract, Emerson not only provides the monitoring equipment at site, but also looks after the health of the wireless networks and the transmitters themselves. This IIoT connected services is first of its kind globally. There were initial concerns of cybersecurity and interfacing with IT. However, the solution is not connected to the plant control system and are non-intrusive.
The steam trap health monitoring system is completely independent from our control system. There's no connection between them. This is reassuring to our plant operation and process.
The connected services has digitally transformed work practices. Steam traps are replaced based on timely reports instead of yearly manual survey. Productivity is improved. Overall, steam consumption has decreased, minimizing carbon footprint.
The way we work is different now. We receive a weekly report of failed trap instead of an annual manual survey result. We immediately replace the traps or trap because the field number each time.
Denka opted for the subscription business model. There is no upfront capital expenditure. Instead, it is an operational expenditure model, where equipment is not purchased, but rather a service is provided with a monthly fee per tag.
The weekly abstraction report provided by Emerson became our work orders for the maintenance team and had enabled us to reduce the steam consumption by approximately 7%.
Remote monitoring services have enabled us to transform our operations.
The success of the connected services sets the stage for new data-driven maintenance practices.
In the future, we are planning to check the vibration of cooling tower gearbox to detect developing problem early.
Emerson PlantWeb digital ecosystem is taking on growing importance, particularly with the Industrial Internet of Things. With all digital devices, the possibilities are virtually endless. Whether you choose to monitor yourself or use connected services, Emerson can provide the solution.